87.
87.
Okay.
87.
So now who returns to the hotel? Who returns, beta?
Evans.
Evans, he returns to the hotel, and he is quite happy that he had fooled the police and all. Okay. And now he is having a new hat that concealed, that hid his spoiled hair cutting. Okay. The wreckage of his hair. The receptionist now. Page number 87. Put the date. Put the date. Should I continue now?
Yes, ma'am.
The receptionist wasn't the same girl who had booked him, but the change was definitely for the better. Now, when he booked in the hotel, okay, there was a different girl, and now when he returned back, okay, she was a different receptionist. As he collected his key, he gave her his best smile, told her he wouldn't be bothering with breakfast, ordered the Daily Express, and asked for an early morning call at 6:45 a.m. Tomorrow was going to be another busy day. So when he returns, he finds that the receptionist was a different girl, and he thinks that it is good that she's a different one. And he collected his key and smiled towards that receptionist and told her not to bother with the breakfast. He's not going to have breakfast, and also ordered her to send the Daily Express, the newspaper, and also asked her to give him an early morning call, okay, to wake him up in the morning soon, okay, early morning, okay. Why? Because tomorrow means the next day it was going to be a very busy day for Evans. Why? He had to move further on, okay, before the police comes and catches him. It was according to his plan to move further on and to get away far from the police. It was clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now he
ma'am.
whistled softly to himself as he walked up the broad stairs. He had sort of liked the idea of being dressed up as a minister, dog collar, and everything. Yes, it had been a jolly good idea for McLary to wear two black fronts, two collars, but that top collar, it had kept on slipping off the back stud, and there had been that one panicky moment when McLary had only just got his hand up to his neck in time to stop the collar springing apart before Stephen. So now, beta, he was climbing up the stairs, and he was quite happy whistling, and he was climbing up the stairs. And once again, he got lost in his thoughts and all. And he thinks that he really liked the idea of being dressed as a clergyman, as a minister, okay. And the dog collar and other things were there. He really enjoyed, okay. He really liked dressing up like a clergyman. Yes, and it was really a very good idea for McLary to wear two black fronts. What I told you, McLary, he was wearing two dresses, okay? Two clerical dresses he was wearing. One, later on, it was worn by whom? By Evan.
Evans.
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 So now, yes. So it had been a jolly good idea for McLary. It might have been a very good idea. Okay, even he might have enjoyed wearing two black fronts, two collars, and everything. But that top collar, do you remember when Stephen C. peeped inside? Uh, this McLary, he was doing something, okay, with his hand. Do you remember? ध्यान है जब उसका हाथ बिल्कुल आई थिंक सो पीछे था एंड तो उस समय क्या हो रहा था दिस कॉलर इट वाज फॉलिंग डाउन समझ में आया और उसने उसको पकड़ा हुआ था ओके गॉट हिज हैंड अप टू द नेक just trying to hold the collar that was slipping off. So it had kept on slipping off the back stud, and there had been that one panicky movement. Okay, when they got panicked, when McLary had only just got his hand up to his neck in time to stop the collars springing apart. अब वो double collars थे तो कहीं वो spring apart ना हो जाए, ऐसी situation आ गई थी कि it was about to fall down. तो McLary, he was holding it with his hands. Okay. Uh, when the church times, the newspaper was there in front of McLary, and he was sitting somewhat tilted. Then the side face was visible. You remember? ध्यान
Yes,
आया?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And one hand,
Yes, ma'am.
it was there on his collar. एक हाथ ऐसे रखा हुआ था उसने, और एक हाथ से, he was just striking the beard like this. Remember?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay. So now, yes. So that was a panicky moment. Panicky यानी घबरा गए थे. लेकिन anyhow, McLary was managed to stop the collar from springing apart, from coming apart. They had got that little problem worked out all right, though a pen stuck in the mouth whenever the evil eye. Who's the evil eye here? Evil eye.
Stephen.
Stephen.
Stephen,
Stephen.
very good, Aishwarya, had appeared at the peephole, okay? And whenever they knew very well that after 1.5 or maybe after 2 minutes, Stephen, he's going to peep inside, okay? So the time they had, right? The time, the gap was there between, the gap was there of 2 minutes. So, उन 2 minute में, okay, he was attiring himself, he was dressing himself, right? और जैसे उसको लगता था कि now he is going to peep inside, तो फटाफट he used to, what did he do? He used to put the pen in his mouth, okay? और बिल्कुल blank stares देता था towards the door. Clear? He was very fast. He went very, very clever. Both of them, maybe McLary and Evans. Okay. So they had got that little problem worked out all right, though a pen stuck in the mouth whenever the evil eye had appeared at the peephole. Easy, but all that fiddling about under the blanket. Now fiddling, you got it? All the annoying things, all the movements they had been doing under the blanket with the black front and the stud at the back of the collar had been far more difficult than they had ever bargained for. Bargain means that they had ever thought of, that they had ever planned of. Okay. And it was really a very difficult thing to do, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
बहुत मुश्किल था. McLary, who was wearing two clerical fronts, two collars and all, तो फटाफट he used to remove one and he used to give it to Evans, है ना, who had draped himself with the blanket, और blanket के अंदर ही ये सारी fiddling चल रही थी ना. Everything else had gone beautifully smooth though. Okay, now everything else, it went on very smoothly. In the car, he had found everything they had promised him. Now his man had promised that a car will be there when he will be dropped off at the main gates. When, okay, McLary means when Stephens will see him off the main gates. तो जैसे ही बाहर निकलेगा तो कार में he is going to get everything, soap, water, clothes. Now कार में बैठते ही again he has to change his attire. The clothes, water, soap, everything was there, and the map, important thing, underline it. The Ordnance Survey map of Oxfordshire. He had got some good friends, some very clever friends, Raisha. Okay, और मनी मन events जो था, he was very happy कि at last he had got good friends, really very good friends. He unlocked his bedroom door and closed it quietly behind him, and then stood frozen to the spot like a man who has just caught a glimpse. Glimpse, you got it? A look of the Gorgon. Okay, Gorgon is a fierce or a huge shaped dragon. लिख लिया meaning?
Yes, ma'am.
So he unlocked his bedroom door. Very happy he was. He was lost in the thoughts. How did both of them manage, and how did he change his attire, his dress? He put on the clerical dress under the blanket. He had to do everything, this and that. And he unlocks, while thinking all these things, beta, he unlocks the bedroom door and he just closed it quietly behind him. And as soon as he entered the room, he stood frozen, bilkul freeze ho gaya. Why? Because opposite to him, sitting, was a man he had expected. Okay, the last man in the world that Evans had expected. Evans ने सिर्फ एक को ही expect करा था कि यदि मुझे पकड़ सकेगा मेरी plan को समझ सकेगा तो that is the only one person. And who was he? गवर्नर. ऐसा फील
Governor.
किया जैसे उसने किसी गॉर्गन को, कोई डेविल को, कोई बहुत फियर्स है ना पर्सन को देख लिया. Sitting on the narrow bed was the very last man in the world, see, that Evans had expected or wanted to see. It's not worth trying anything, said the governor quietly. Now, the governor, he says it's useless trying anything. Okay, as Evans' eyes darted desperately around the room. Darted, you got it? Moved quickly, His eyes, it moved quickly. Why? He wanted to see whether he was all alone or somebody else was there in the room. तो आंखें चारों तरफ घूमती हैं. तो गवर्नर क्या कहता है? What does governor he say? I have got men all around the place. Got it? I've got my men. Men means police is there all around the place, all around the hotel. Well, there were only two really, but Evans needn't know that. Okay. Actually, क्या था? Only two of them were there. लेकिन गवर्नर ही बताना नहीं चाहता था. उसको कहता है got men all around the area, the hotel, मतलब he does not need to run, he cannot run away from there. He let the words sink in. Women too, didn't you think the blonde girl in reception was rather sweet? And he says even the women, police, okay, she's a lady police, and even the receptionist, to whom you think that she was really sweet, है ना, जिसे तुम्हें लगा था बहुत sweet है, even she, she's from the police. Evans was visibly shaken. पूरी तरह से shake हो गया, वो हिल गया. He sat down slowly in the only chair the small room could offer and held his head between his head. For several minutes there was utter silence. He was shocked so much that what did he do? He hold his hands like this, his head between his hands, है ना, सिर उसने अपना पकड़ लिया. Right? Now,
Yes, ma'am.
finally he spoke. Few minutes silence था, फिर कहता it was that bloody correction slip, I suppose. Okay, और फिर कहता yes, I know. It is all because of that bloody correction slip. मतलब he knew very well that he made a mistake. Well, the governor failed to mask. Mask means to hide the deep satisfaction in his voice. There are a few people who know a little German. Okay, अब गवर्नर तो काफी ओवर एक्साइटेड था, तो अपना एक्साइटमेंट रोक नहीं पाता और कहता है ऑफ कोर्स, है ना, डू यू थिंक ओनली यू पीपल नो इंग्लिश? कुछ लोग हैं जो सॉरी, इंग्लिश नहीं, जर्मन. कुछ लोग हैं जो जर्मन जानते हैं. स्लोली, वेरी स्लोली इवेंट्स रिलैक्स्ड. ओके, इवेंट्स जो था बहुत धीरे धीरे रिलैक्स्ड हुआ. he was beaten up. Beaten means he was defeated, he lost, and he knew it. He sat up at last and managed to smile ruefully. Ruefully, you got it, in a very sorrowful manner. Okay, he smiled. और फिर क्या कहता है, सुनिए. It wasn't really a mistake. You see, we hadn't been able to fix up any hotel, but we could have worked at some other day. कहते हैं, it wasn't really a mistake, है ना, ये कोई mistake वगैरह नहीं थी. Right? Severe mistake. The mistake was that they were not able to decide about the hotel, okay, which they could have worked in some or the other way. Okay? No, the really important thing was for the phone to ring just before the exam finished to get everyone out of the way for a couple of minutes. Clear or not? Do you remember the phone? It rang before
Yes,
3
ma'am.
minutes. The exam, it was about to get over. Why? So that everybody might be, yes, might be out of the way, है ना, सब relaxed हो गए. Phone was
Yes,
there
ma'am.
by the fake governor for Stephens कि भाई तुम ही छोड़ आना. तो सब रिलैक्स हो गए कि अब कोई टेंशन की बात नहीं है, स्टीफेंस खुद ही इसको मेन गेट तक छोड़कर आ जाएगा. ओके, सो वो कहता है कि बस यही जरूरी था हमें ये जानना कि द एग्जैक्ट टाइम कि भाई पेपर किस समय हो रहा है, सो दैट दे कुड मेक अ कॉल. Okay, the real important thing was for the phone to ring just before the exam finished to get everyone out of the way for a couple of months. So we had to know exactly when the exam started, didn't we? Okay, तो बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट टाइम से द प्लानिंग वाज मेड, और कहता है इसी वजह से इट वाज वेरी नेसेसरी, ओके, टू नो व्हेन द एग्जाम स्टार्टेड. तो इसी वजह से वो करेक्शन स्लिप वगैरह भी आ गई थी व्हेन द एग्जाम हैड बिगिन. And like a fool, I presented you with that little piece of information on a plate. Now, governor says, even I have been a big fool. I did not understand, and like a fool, I just sent that correction slip to your cell. मैंने तो तुम्हारे cell में भेज दी. Well, somebody did. So you see, sir, that correction slip killed two birds with a single stone. Got it? Killing two birds with a single stone means doing two things at the same time. Okay, proverb है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
तो वो कहता है सर देखो उसने, है ना, एक तीर से दो शिकार हो गए. ओके, इट किल्ड टू बर्ड्स विद अ सिंगल स्टोन, डिडंट इट? द नेम ऑफ द होटल फॉर मी एंड द एग्जैक्ट टाइम द एग्जाम स्टार्टेड फॉर. ओके, सो दोनों काम हो गए कि द एग्जैक्ट टाइम द एग्जाम स्टार्टेड वो पता पड़ गया, एंड व्हाट द नेम ऑफ द होटल. The governor nodded. It's a pretty common word. Good job. It is a pretty common, sir. I never have known where to come to, would I? So governor कहता है, it is a very pretty common golden lion. It's a very pretty common word. So even he says, of course, sir, it is pretty common, sir. But if the name wouldn't have been written there, he wouldn't have come to know where he had to go, which golden lion. Nice name though, Zum Golden Lion. How did you know which golden lion it was? There's hundreds of them. अब इवेंट्स कहता है it's a nice name, Zum Golden Lion. तो गवर्नर कहता है how did you know golden lion it was? Okay, जरूरी थोड़ी ना है कि एक सिंगल नाम का ही golden lion होटल था बेटा, right? Hundreds of hotel can be of the same name, isn't it? जरूरी थोड़ी ना कि ताज
Yes, ma'am.
बॉम्बे में ही है. ओके, उस ताज होटल के नाम के कई ऐसे और होटल्स हो सकते हैं जिनका सिमिलर नेम कुड बी. तो गवर्नर सेज हाउ डिड यू नो कि which golden lion you have to reach? Why? Because there are hundreds of them, same as you, Evans. This question it was put up by Evans, and गवर्नर जवाब देता है सेम एज यू इवेंट्स, इंडेक्स नंबर 313, सेंटर नंबर 271. व्हेन events asked the governor कि सर हाउ डिड यू कम टू नो कि which golden lion I will be there, तो कहते जैसे तुम्हें पता पड़ा. Index number 313, center number 271. Do you remember when McLary, before beginning
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
exam, he told to fill up the formalities that was there in the ओके आंसर शीट है ना. तो उसने कहा था ना फिल द इंडेक्स नंबर, फिल द सेंटर नंबर. ओके, एंड आई टोल्ड यू टू रिमेम्बर इट, आई टोल्ड यू टू अंडरलाइन इट. देखो उसका क्या मतलब है. 6 figures. And if you take an ordnance survey map for Oxfordshire, you find that the 6 figure reference 313/271, it takes you bang in the middle of Chipping Norton. Clear or not? Whenever you see a map of any city बेटा, है ना, कोई भी आप सर्वे मैप देखते हो तो उस पे क्या नंबर्स लिखे होते हैं, राइट? नंबर्स डले हुए होते हैं
Yes,
और वो
ma'am.
नंबर्स आपको बताते हैं एग्जैक्ट प्लेस. क्लियर और नॉट? तो सिमिलरली
Yes, ma'am.
13/217, that was the index of the center number. तो इवेंट उसने ये नंबर मैच करा with the survey map for Oxfordshire से मैच करा. that was there in the car, the map was there in the car ना, okay? तो उसको मिल गया ये 313/217, ये रेफरेंस नंबर उसको मिल गया, और उसने देखा कि मैप में 313/271, ओके, ये कौन सी जगह का है? चिपिंग नॉर्टन का. आर यू गेटिंग माय वर्ड्स? आर यू गेटिंग मी?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
क्लियर और नॉट? अब जब उसने देख लिया चिपिंग नॉर्टन का है, तो वो समझ गया कि द होटल गोल्डन लायन इज इन चिपिंग नॉर्टन ओनली, सो ही रीचेस देयर. क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, you are right. We had hoped you would run off to Newbury. Evans कहता है, of course you are absolutely right, sir. हमने तो सोचा था we have misguided you and you all will go to Newbury, right? We did,
Yes,
and that's something I
Yes,
suppose the governor says, of course, we proceeded towards Newbury. Okay, well, that's something I suppose. That question paper, Evans, could you really understand all that German? I could hardly. Now again, you know, the governor, he had some doubt and he asked Evans, can you understand German, you know? Full German, can you understand? You know? Did you understand the paper? Yeah, even I could hardly understand, though I studied German many years ago, but still I couldn't understand German, complete German, okay? All the German language. Now, of course, I couldn't. I knew roughly what it was all about. कहता है, no, I did not. But I just made a rough idea, events कहता है. Okay, and we just hoped it would throw a few spanners in the works. Okay, जैसे अंधेरे में तीर फेंकना होता है ना, got it? तो ऐसा
Yes,
हमें
ma'am.
भी लगा कि we are going to do some some clues, you know, this question paper, you know, it will be like a clue for us, you know, sort of muddle everybody a bit, okay? And everybody was sort of muddle matlab confused ho jana. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Time beta, okay, fine. God bless you. I
Thank
did
you,
not
ma'am.
notice the time.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am.